Hi subscribers, hi viewers. Before I give you results of our marketing and sales this week, I want to talk about this video. This is a video of me commuting on different lines of the Beijing subway. Basically, this is life in China. So now on our marketing results, it's been a week since we started the marketing, as you are aware, and our website is trading. We're getting a lot of traffic on our website. And as I explained that if you follow through, you'll get to understand the process of dealing with our first client and our negotiating with manufacturers to list their products on our website. So we focus mostly on digital marketing. The reason being is I do have a full-time job, and my team has got a full-time. They also have full-time jobs, so we cannot divert all our energy into marketing, cold calling, and all that. We just focused on digital marketing, and we are getting good results whilst we preparing ourselves for future business. So to understand on how to do business from China, such as drop shipping amongst product sourcing, subscribe to the channel, like the video, ask questions, and leave a comment.